outdoor rug can pull a patio together, but have you seen how expensive they are? You can make a customized outdoor rug yourself for a fraction of the cost. You'll need a plain outdoor rug. I found this 6x8 foot rug at Home Depot for only $20. A stencil, painter's tape, measuring tape, a drop cloth, and spray adhesive. Spray paint. I'm using a few of Rust-Oleum's new colors: rustic pink, metallic turquoise, and perfect gray. First, lay the rug out flat. My rug doesn't have any open gaps in the weave, so I'm not concerned with the spray paint going through to the concrete. If your rug has a loose weave, put a drop cloth down first. Make a border with the painter's tape. I want my border to sit a bit in from the very edge of the rug, so I've pressed down 2 layers of tape first. Using the measuring tape, measure out the thickness of the border and put down another line of tape. My border is 6 inches thick. Cut the drop cloth in a few pieces and line the edge of your tape. This will catch any overspray from hitting outside of your tape lines. Spray straight down in short bursts while painting the middle area, and angle towards the middle slightly as you spray along the edges. Since your tape is sitting on carpet and not a flat surface, there will be gaps under the tape. The angle will help direct the paint away from those gaps as you spray the border's edging. To make the corners, carefully pull the tape away from one end until it lines up with its perpendicular border edge. Add tape to connect both areas and spray paint. Remove the tape and allow to dry. Find the middle of your rug with a measuring tape and mark it with a piece of painter's tape. Spray the back of the stencil with the adhesive. Allow to dry for 3 to 5 minutes so it sets for a temporary bond and not a permanent one. Place the stencil in the middle and press down. Surround the stencil with the drop cloth and spray straight down in short bursts. As soon as you finish painting in this spot, remove the stencil and reposition in a corner. Do not allow the stencil to sit on the rug and dry. Once you reposition, you may want to use a glove or a paper towel to press the stencil down, as the surface will still be wet from the last spray. Surround with a drop cloth and spray again. I found that I got 2 to 3 spots painted before I needed to reapply the spray adhesive again. As it gets less sticky, it will allow for more gaps and overspray. Continue until you have the middle and 4 corners stenciled. Make sure you don't walk on the painted areas until they are fully dried. I'm taping up a portion of the stencil so I can continue painting with a smaller pattern. Respray with the adhesive, allow to set, and position the new stencil where desired. I'm creating one more even smaller stencil for the last round of painting. Continue repositioning and painting until you have your desired look. On the fly, DIY.